In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read application monitoring in Cloudways. If you want to improve performance, catch issues early, and understand how your website behaves under load, monitoring is essential. The good news is that Cloudways gives you a visual way to review this information without relying on complicated terminal commands or outside tools. In this walkthrough, we'll open the monitoring area for a live application, review traffic and status data, inspect PHP performance, and check for slow database activity so you can better understand what your site is doing in real time. To begin, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, select the applications area from the top navigation and open the specific website or app you want to review. From there, look to the menu on the left side and click Monitoring. This takes you into the Application Monitoring workspace, where Cloudways separates metrics for that individual app. When the page opens, you'll land on the Analytics view by default. Start by clicking the Traffic tab. Here, you'll see a timeline of incoming requests. Pay attention to both IP requests and URL requests, because these help you spot patterns. If one IP is generating a very large number of hits in a short period, that may indicate suspicious traffic or automated bot behavior. Just below that, review the HTTP status code distribution. Most healthy traffic should return 200 OK responses. If you notice a rise in 404 errors, that usually points to broken links or missing files. If you start seeing 502 or 503 responses, that can be a sign that the backend is struggling or failing under load. Next, switch to the PHP tab. This section helps you understand how your application code is performing. Look at the slowest pages chart and review the listed URLs alongside their execution times in milliseconds. If one page stands out with much slower processing than the rest, that's a strong clue that a specific script, theme, component, or plugin may be creating a bottleneck. After that, open the Database tab. This is especially useful for dynamic sites and online stores. Review the slow queries table carefully. Cloudways shows you which database requests are taking too long, making it easier to identify inefficient queries that need optimization. These details are valuable if you're working with a developer or database specialist. Before you finish, take one final pass through the charts, memory usage, indicators, and real-time graphs. Make sure the metrics are displaying clearly and that usage trends return to safer levels after changes or fixes. That final review helps confirm your environment is stable and easier to manage going forward. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the